A bulletproof mindset is not about pretending to be unbothered. It's about building such deep inner strength that the outside world loses its power over you. Most people talk about having a strong mindset, but the truth is, strength means nothing if your mind is not trained to be quiet. The top 1%, they don't chase for comfort. They choose discomfort. They rarely doubt themselves, not because life is easy, but because they have mastered their mindset. And that's what we are diving into today. So, why it is important to build a bulletproof mindset? Because without it, you are easily pulled by the world, by other people's opinions, expectations, and noise. And that way, you end up living a life that has been shaped by what others want for you rather than what you truly want for yourself. A bulletproof mindset helps you to stay rooted in your truth. It gives you the clarity to make decisions that actually serve you and not the ones that help you to fit in. You stop getting carried away by the crowd and start walking your own path with intention. It also transforms how you show up in your relationships. You stop seeking constant validation and start creating more honest and deeper connections. You procrastinate less, doubt yourself less, and start showing up more consistently. It's like doing the deep work so that the life feels easier. There's less chaos, less unnecessary suffering, and instead there is more peace and more direction. Now, this does not mean that you will never face challenges, because you will. But with this mindset, those challenges won't break you, they will shape you, and you will move through them with strength and not struggle. To build a bulletproof mindset, you first need to understand the three planes of existence: the spiritual, mental, and physical. Everything that we do in this physical plane either keeps us attached to it or helps us liberate from its limitations. Between the spiritual and the physical planes lies the mental plane, which acts as a bridge between the two planes. This is where the mind plays an important role. A calm, balanced mind allows you to function at your best. Positive self-talk and optimistic outlook towards life are the signs that your mind is working in your favor. On the other hand, constant negative self-talk, judgment, and reactivity suggest that you are being controlled by your mind. And this also indicates that you are being entangled in the limitations of the physical plane. In this state, it is very easy to get triggered by fear, anger, criticism, or any kind of external noise. You become overly sensitive to others' judgments, negativity in the news, or the energy of the crowd. And in this way, your mind becomes reactive rather than responsive. Your emotional buttons can be easily pushed and you start to live in the survival mode. This mental clutter holds you back from discovering your true potential. When you give excessive importance to just one plane of existence, that is the physical plane, your reality becomes shaped by what's happening around you rather than what is rooted within you. But when all three planes of existence, that is spiritual, mental, and physical, are in alignment, you are able to stay grounded yet elevated. And in this way, you are able to serve your highest potential in the physical plane without being consumed by it. A calm mind is the foundation of a bulletproof mindset because your state of mind is closely connected to your state of being. If your mind is chaotic, your experience in life will reflect that. But if your mind is calm, your life feels more clearer and more intentional. There's this quote by Shunryu Suzuki that captures this perfectly. If your mind is empty, it is always ready for anything. It is open to everything. In the beginner's mind, there are many possibilities. But in the expert's mind, there are few. When your mind is open and still, you are able to move through life with more flexibility and ease and far less internal resistance. But in order to access that state, you need to break out of the collective unconscious. If you are someone who is stuck in the habitual thought loops like absorbing fear, negativity, or criticism from the outside world without even realizing it, then the way out of this is self-awareness. Start by being aware of your inner dialogue, what you are saying to yourself on autopilot. Are you constantly complaining, criticizing, or expecting the worst? Don't judge it, but simply observe it. There's another beautiful quote by Shunryu Suzuki that illustrates this. Leave your front door and back door open. Allow your thoughts to come and go. Just don't serve them tea. This is where the shift happens. Instead of being caught up in the negative thoughts, you practice being the observer of your mind. For example, if you catch yourself complaining, pause, acknowledge it, then gently choose a different response. This is how you calm the noise, not by forcing your mind to be quiet, but by becoming aware of your inner dialogue. And from that awareness, you start building your real inner strength. We live in a world where we are constantly exposed to other people's wins, whether it is social media, at work, or even our own circles. And when your mindset is not strong enough, you can easily fall into the trap of comparison. Suddenly, somebody else's success feels like a proof that you are behind or you're not doing enough. But the truth is, comparison kills clarity. When you constantly compare yourself to others, your mindset becomes shaky. It depends on external validation and fluctuates with other people's successes and failures. This in turn creates doubt, insecurity, and distraction. A bulletproof mindset needs clarity, focus, and inner strength. And all of those things come from conviction. Conviction means having a clear and personal why. You are committed to your own path and your own growth, regardless of what anyone else is saying or doing. So instead of watching what everyone else is doing, turn inward and ask yourself a few honest questions. What do I actually want from life? What feels aligned with me even if no one notices it or claps for it? What am I creating that truly matters to me? These questions help you to reconnect with your desires and your values. They clear the noise and bring your focus back to what's authentic. When you stop chasing somebody else's path and start committing fully to your own, everything shifts. You stop seeking constant validation from others because your conviction becomes your compass. You understand that your journey is unique and it does not have to look like anyone else's to be valuable. This is where the true confidence grows, the kind that is steady and unshakable. All of this is essential for a mindset that can handle criticism, setbacks, and the ups and downs of any journey. Many people think that building a bulletproof mindset means being at war with your own mind. Like you have to crush your every doubt, silence every weakness, and push through no matter what. But that is not what this is about. Compassion towards yourself is actually one of the most important parts of building a bulletproof mindset, because you're not doing this to be impressive, but you're doing this to be authentic to yourself. Self-compassion allows you to stop being so critical of your mistakes and start seeing them as lessons with kindness. You don't need to beat yourself up for not doing everything as planned or having an off day. In fact, those are the days when you most need your own compassion, because if your mindset toward yourself is just as harsh and judgmental as the world around you, then it is not really a bulletproof mindset. It is bruised in silence. So let strength and softness exist together. That's how your mindset becomes not just unshakable, but human as well. Building mental discipline really comes down to what you do consistently and not what you do occasionally. And that starts with developing a few simple daily habits that help you to stay clear and focused. One of the most effective habits is mindfulness. It helps you to become aware of what's going on in your mind so that you are able to respond rather than react. Over time, this builds a habit of pausing before making decisions or jumping into conclusions. Journaling is another valuable habit. Write down about the things that challenged you and the way you reacted in those circumstances and the way you would handle it differently next time. This kind of reflection strengthens your ability to think clearly under pressure and to notice the patterns in your mindset. A lot of mental clutter comes from the content we consume without even thinking about it. That's why doing a quick weekly or monthly audit of your social media and the content you consume can make a huge difference. Ask yourself, is it helping me grow or making me feel scattered? Start curating your feed. Mute or unfollow anything that does not support your focus or mindset. Instead, follow creators or accounts that inspire you, teach you something, or help you to stay grounded. Also, learn to rely less on extrinsic motivation and start building your own from within. When you repeat these habits more consistently, they help you to stay more intentional, less reactive, and better able to focus on what truly matters to you, which is the foundation of mental discipline. Building a bulletproof mindset does not happen overnight. It is not about those big changes or being perfect at all times, but it is about those small, consistent habits that help you to stay steady even when things get tough. Focus on one habit that you can do regularly and let that be your starting point. Over time, these small actions add up and make a huge difference. If you're trying something new this week, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and take care.